Hey guys, what's up? I am Emem. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for being here. So today I'm actually starting something very exciting. So for 2019, I am going to start bullet journaling. So I actually just found out about this about 2 or 3 months ago, and I've just been researching and watching videos and just like looking at the different things and different styles and everything, and I've just been really interested in what it is and like how it can affect my life, if that makes sense. So bullet journaling is basically, instead of buying a planner or buying like a calendar or anything, you just get like a blank book, and then you create your own journal. So you create your own calendars, your weekly logs and monthly logs and things like that. So you are creative as you are productive. So as I'm kind of learning that I am a creative person. I always felt like I wasn't, but I kind of am. And so I was so interested in it. Basically, I saw it, I was like, wow, this is amazing, I need to try it out. And so I decided to start for 2019 because it was right on time for the new year. And so this video is going to be showing you my 2019 setup, and I'm going to stop rambling now because I don't want this video to be way too long. And it's going to be my 2019 setup and also my January 2019 setup. And I hope you guys enjoy this and think that I did a good job. This is my first time ever doing this, and I made a lot of mistakes, and you're gonna see that. But I hope you guys enjoy this, and yeah, let's get into it. Alright, let's get started. So I purchased my bullet journal from Amazon. It is the Scribble A5 dotted journal. I just bought that, and I'm just gonna write my name in the slot to write my name. As you can see, the pen that I'm using is the Tombow hard tip pen. I would link everything down in the description box, so if you guys want to buy it or get it or interested in what I'm using. And so this book actually comes with its own page for your key and for your index, but I wanted to create my own stuff, so I just went to the first blank page and started with my key page. So the concept of the key page is to have like different symbols that represent different things that you're going to write in your journal. So for example, this arrow would represent something that I need to do, so like my to-do, and then a half shaded arrow will represent things that are in progress, or something that I've started and I have to finish, and then the full shaded would represent completed. So things like that, to identify the different things that I'm going to be doing, especially when I'm making like my to-do lists or event lists and things like that. And so yeah, that's my key page. The next page I did was kind of like a quote page, and my 2019, like the goal for this year for me was a year of taking risks. Is something that came to my mind at the end of last year, and so I decided to like make that my theme for the year. And so that's what I just wrote in here and just like styled it up to make it look cute. And now I'm actually going to create my calendar page, so it's just gonna be like a whole year calendar page. And as you can see, I'm just creating the 2019 design, and I just like shaded it in and made it look cute. So this is my inspiration for this page, just a whole page of my whole year from January to December. So I am labeling I usually see the week from Sunday to Saturday, but then I did it from Monday to Saturday because it would fit in 5 lines. Like the months would fit in 5 lines, and that was what I wanted it to fit in. And so that's why I did from Monday to Saturday instead of Sunday to Saturday, if that makes sense. No, Monday to Sunday instead of Sunday. Okay, I don't know what I'm saying, but I decided to jazz up the 2019 header a little bit and make it like a splash and like exciting and nice. As you can see, my palette for this, as you can see, is all black and white, and so that's because I wanted the first few pages to be, but we will get into colors very soon. And so now this page is also going to be another quote page, and my quote for this page is "Let go and live it up." So there's just a lot of things that I want to let go from the past and like from the past years and things like that, and I just want to be more present this year, so just live in the moment this year. And so that's like my quote. That's why I made this quote and decided to go with it, and I just made it look pretty and jazzed up the page and made it look nice. So for the next 2 pages, I'm gonna be creating kind of like a year in review kind of spread. And so I decided to go with the vertical year in review spread because I really liked this design. I actually saw it from another YouTuber, and so it was just like January to December. It's gonna be August to December on the next page, July to December on the next page. And so for these pages, I just have that on top of it, and then I'm actually gonna have the calendar for the month, and just like on the other page, and then under each calendar is just going to be a space for like important things that I want to note for each month. So basically like anything that's important, like New Year's Day, Christmas Day, my birthday, a friend's birthday, things like that would all go under the calendar for that month. And I would give an example when I start doing my January spread. So that's the same thing I did for July to December, as you can see. And now I'm just moving on to the next page, which is going to be my 2019 goals. So this year I'm just thinking of things like fitness, my faith, YouTube, skincare, my grades, things like that. And on the next page, I'm just gonna have my lists. I actually didn't know what to call this page, so I just called it lists. But it's basically a list of things that I want to do, like what movies I want to watch, TV shows I want to watch, books I want to read, experiences I want to have. So I'm just gonna make a list of them for future references. And then my milestones page is going to be for important things that happen in my life that have to do with actually YouTube, Instagram, and fitness. You would see me creating tables for them very soon. And so just like milestones, like more subscribers or followers, or my waist is smaller, things like that. And so just like milestones for important things that happen, so I can be grateful and remember. And then next, which is going to be places that I've visited this year. Hopefully I travel more, and so just going to be date, place, and my favorite memory in that place. So the next 2 pages are going to be kind of like archive pages, so like my Bible verse archive and my favorite quotes. So just favorite Bible verses and quotes that I hear during the year, or I see and I read, things like that that really impact my life, or I love. I would just like document them here and just remember for future reference. And the next page is going to be all about YouTube. It's going to be video ideas. So it's just a page for me to write down ideas that I have for videos this year. Comment down below for any ideas that you have for me, and I'll put it on this page. So the next page is actually one of my favorite spreads that I created. It's my colors page. So basically I'm kind of documenting all of the colors that I have for my markers. So my Crayola Super Tips markers, I'm just going to be putting all the colors in the different boxes. And this page is mainly to give me ideas for what color I want for that month. So each month is going to have a different color, as you're going to see in January. And so I'm just going to come to this page and be like, what color am I feeling? And then pick that color for that month. And then my washi tape, I only have 3 washi tapes. Now we're going into January, and as you can see, the color for January is orange, and this is kind of the idea where I'm going to shade in orange in the calendar on the page, and also on this page as well. And each of the labeling would actually be orange. So for example, the 1st of January is New Year's Day, and so this is how I'm going to be documenting important days on this calendar. It's like year in review, and I'll just do like a design in the upper part of that month place. And so now this is my first page of the January spread. This is kind of like my opening page, and I just created this design. And honestly, the idea that came to my mind was light bulbs. I don't know why, but light bulbs just kept like coming to my mind, and so I decided to have my theme for January be light bulbs. And so as you can see, I'm drawing down my light bulbs now, and they are kind of like hanging light bulbs. And yeah, that's kind of the idea that I had for this month. Why? I have no idea. It just popped up to my head, and I'm just shading that in and coloring that in with orange. And I really love how this page turned out. It was really pretty, and I honestly don't usually color with markers, but now I can actually see that markers are actually really amazing to color with, because it makes it look so like clean and fresh, rather than like color pencils or crayons or anything like that. But crayons are fine, but I really like this marker, like coloring with markers now. And so yeah, that's the design I had for January. And then I just did this little thing as kind of like a folded page kind of thing, folded edge of the page idea, and I just shaded that in with black and orange. So those are the 2 colors for this month. And on the other page, I also created another quote page just for the month, and the quote is gonna be grow stronger. So I really liked this page as well. It turned out really, really great, and yeah, that's what I did. So on this page, I also drew down the light bulbs. This is just going to be the theme for the whole spread. You're going to see that as I keep moving forward. And yeah, just coloring that in with orange. And that's basically the 2 pages. Turned out so pretty. I really loved it. And so my next page is gonna be like a monthly log page. So it's just gonna be all about January. I'm just drawing out the whole January calendar right now. I love how this page turned out. You guys are gonna love this so much. Hopefully, this is the page that I'm most proud of. I don't know how, it just turned out amazing. I just kept moving forward and like coming up with ideas in my mind as I was making it, and I was just like, yeah, okay, let's try it, and it ended up being really pretty, and I'm very proud of this page. So the same theme of light bulbs kept going on, as I said, and you keep seeing that in this whole January spread. And I feel like the theme for January is definitely growth. As you saw at the beginning, my quote page was grow stronger. And so this one, as you can see at the top, I also put growth at that place. And that's like my theme for January, and just like what I want to happen for me this month. And so that's kind of like my theme for the month. As you keep going, you'll see that. And I decided to create these 4 square boxes for 4 important things, as you're going to see. So the first box is gonna be my verse. So I'm gonna have like a Bible verse for the month that I'm gonna write in there. And then the next box is like to track my growth on YouTube, fitness, Instagram, things like that. And then my goals box, and also like a favorite memory from the month. So after January is over, I'm just gonna like write my favorite memory or anything that happens during the month. It's just not gonna be like one memory, it can be multiple ones. That box is really big. But I really love how this turned out. As you can see, it's so pretty. I just love that page so much. And now my next page is going to be my trackers. So basically my trackers are going to be tracking different habits that I'm trying to grow this year and this month as well. And so it's just different things that I'm going to try to do. So the way I did it was we're in boxes. So I put all the days of January into like a calendar form, squares and things like that. And so each habit that I want to grow has its own square, and as you can see, workout, quiet time, skincare, things like that. And so I actually created a mood tracker as well, which is basically every day I'm going to be seeing like what mood I'm in. And so I kind of created like a legend and like a key on the side, as you can see, with different moods that I could have. And so for every day I'm going to fill in whatever mood I'm feeling at that point into the box. And for the other ones, if I accomplished what I wanted to do that day, I would just shade it in with my orange marker, as you can see in the skincare box. And then on the next page is going to be my expense tracker. So on this page, I'm just going to be tracking how much money that I spent that month. I actually should have created another spot for how much money I earned that month, but I just thought about it after I created the page, which is fine. So it's just going to be how much I spent, what I spent it on, and the total at the end of the month. And then the next page is going to be my video schedules all about YouTube, as you can see, again, another YouTube logo page. And this time it's going to be my video schedule for the month. So I'm trying to post every Monday and Friday as that's my schedule. And so that's so this page is basically just going to have all the videos that I'm going to post on the different days. And then my next page is actually one that really surprised me. this whole drawing thing, I wanted both a wish list page and a notes page, but I said that I don't need 2 full pages for them, so I just decided to keep drawing the line, and honestly it just happened. Like, this page just happened and it's so pretty and I'm just so happy about it. Basically my wish list is just things that I want to buy that I can't afford at the time, and I'll just write it down, and then notes is just like anything that I want to write, basically a brain dump section. And now the last page of this monthly spread is my daily log. So this is the first week, the week/daily log. So basically both my week and daily log are actually on the same page. And so as you can see, this is the first week of January 1st to January 6th. And so in those spaces, the top block would be like my to-do tasks and things like that, and then the little box under would be like for events. And I also decided to create a sleep log bar graph, so each day I would like document how many hours I slept that day, and so that's what that graph is for. And I also have like goals for the week, things that are due that week, and also things that I'm grateful for that week, which you'll see very soon. I really like the idea for the sleep log. Also, please ignore the washi tape on the side. It's not part of the design. I made a mistake, and so I put washi tape over my mistake, and so I just left it there. But that's the idea for this week, weekly log. And yeah, now I'm just gonna do a flip through my journal and show you guys everything that I did, and I hope you guys enjoy that.
Life is just always mysterious and surprising. You never know what's around the next corner. You never know what's around the next corner.
So I hope you guys enjoyed that. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing me make my first bullet journal and actually start this journey. I'm going to be posting every month, so every month I'm going to have a new theme. If you guys have any questions, make sure to ask me in the comment section. And I'm just really excited about it. People who inspired me to actually start this are people like Amanda Rach Lee, I've been bullet journaling for 2 years, Miss Louie, there's also some bloggers that I watch that do it, and then Pinterest. And so I'm just really inspired and very excited, because to be honest, I didn't know that I could do that. So I remember as I was doing it, I was like, okay, I really don't know what I'm doing, but I'm just gonna do it. And then it ended up being so beautiful, and so I'm so proud of myself for that. And I feel like it's something that I'm definitely gonna stick with, and it's going to encourage me to be productive and plan and everything. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will see you in my next video, and the next one will be for February, in late January. Subscribe, like this video, comment, and I will see you next time. Bye guys. Peace and strength.
You never know what's around the next corner. You never know what's around the next corner. So. You never know what's around the